Good morning.
Put it off.
That phone is disturbing. You forgot about the thing I told you last night.
Winifred.
Good morning, ma.
Where's the other girl?
She called saying she can't make it.
This girl is just not serious.
Oh, you're here.
Yes, dear. Good morning.
Good morning.
Have you been waiting long? Why didn't you call me?
I did. Check your phone.
Hey. Hey, 50 missed calls. I'm so sorry. I was avoiding someone and ended up missing your call. Forgive me, why? So anyway, what are we fixing today?
Just a minute. How do you think I'll look in this? Can you do
Wow, this is a nice style. Wow. But I know everything is good on you. So you don't have to worry. This is nice. And no wonder you didn't want these girls to touch your hair.
the same? Well, it's a job for the boss.
I know, right? Can I see the wig?
Sure. It's here.
Hey, wow. Hey, this one there. Pure virgin human hair. Straight grade A.
What were you expecting?
I know, right? Hey. Sweetie, please sit down. Let's start.
Okay. Let's take this off.
Let me help you.
But seriously, you need to get a place in town. I swear, you'll make money than all these expensive saloons.
Alright.
I'm serious. Look at me. Who knew I'll look this pretty?
But you know, it's not easy getting a place in the center of town. I need more clients like yourself who tip well.
Don't worry, I've got all lined up.
Ooh.
Very soon, I wouldn't need to travel all this far to get my hair fixed. And who knows? I might get free sessions.
Of course you will. Of course.
Thank you so much, Winnie.
Thank you so much too, dear. You are the best client ever.
Thank you.
Oh, don't forget to send me pictures for my album.
Don't worry, I will.
Okay.
I will. Remind me.
I will. Moses, what are you doing here?
You have been avoiding me.
I've been busy, and you've ignored my question. What are you doing here?
What do you think? What's wrong with you, Winifred? I don't get you. What's the problem?
Mo, I'm okay. Nothing is wrong. I'm fine. Mo, look, I've been tired. I don't know what else you want from me.
You don't know what else you want from me? Winifred.
Please, Mo, I'm just tired. Okay, I'll see you this evening.
Winifred. Please. I know there is something wrong with you. And I wish you would trust me enough to share it. You know I would do anything just to see you happy. Please.
I know.
So I'll see you this evening?
Yes, you see me this evening.
Are you sure?
Yes, Moses.
Alright, thank you. So I'll see you in the evening, okay?
Yes, please.
Thank you for waiting.
Whatever. What? I mean, who is this girl again?
I already told you.
So how much for this piece?
80.
Are you serious? Wow. Don't worry, I've already ordered for your food. Red.
With what?
Chicken.
Hi. Please, can I have fresh fruit juice? Very fresh, please. Alright. Thank you.
Juice. Fresh juice. For you. Why, what's... Oh my god! When did you find out?
Yesterday.
That's so great. You should be excited.
I am.
Have you told Zach?
I just don't want to be giving him high hopes and all that.
Are you serious? You and I know that the other ones would have come out with so much complications.
All 3 of them?
Let's just stay positive with this one, okay? Yeah? If you ask me, I think you should tell him.
I don't know.
Tell him. He needs to know. I am happy for you. You should be excited.
Who's that calling?
That's none of your business. Tell me you miss me.
Do you have to be told?
Of course.
I hope you are not dashing off immediately, are you?
I hope not. Jesus Christ, I'm so tired.
So, should I order something for you?
Nope.
Okay.
Bacha me bo why? Sister Sassy. Sister Sassy. Sister Sassy. Sister Sassy. I want to my brim. Hehe. Me Judy papa to so one more sorry. So here.
What is it?
Sister Sassy, where do you unia I say, and a minimum. And so ya yimiama, or more hanging a yimiama. By na me as and come has many jumabia. Maya will be as one for a jumama. And so ya so fishy, me buy or my ear jammy. I was a cranum, so mamma way in Koja.
And you think I'm willing to give you my pan?
Sister says, and yes, sir, a mardia more bad or be any. Sabio, me, Mamma may ask him a bonza cassia. Metiasi no so troniado. Me were very and yes, sir, I'm young Kojana.
And I'm warning you, if we get home and you start with your silly tricks, that will be the last time my name will roll off your tongue.
Sassy, my dear bro. I'm the Mishana, me no penning in papa nunti, me nantic a crabia me moo. Aish.
You know the house, come.
Meba.
Abi. Where is she?
Why?
The lady.
Oh, Wakokura, Netiko do moon has abro or yadrufi.
What do you mean she's left? I asked you to store her for me.
Now, I wouldn't see a quiet name say, Unsu free at in a barber. Oh, yeah, Mumva, Arjunantonia, maybe home.
Abi, make us like a Jinane mammy, Jinan and Casanami Boom, Nanyam Pofrim. Oh, now come.
One Casan Unimudo. I'm coming in and I'm now was a daba. Oh, I my pan the crowing. Mrs. Sister Sassy. Aya, what Jimmy, when you didn't come or any better enough. Yes, I need a dido.
She send your casa. Or Casa says in a name send a Yobi Obama. Send a Sioba Pama.
Hey, and you want him and come me. None one me can't ya cry, man, my orbit. 1001. Share. Uben Catachi, Metimia, Yobi, what you say, can do to me so moment.
Why are women?
Now about one for what you say. Oh,
Agbe, Fam's coming.
Scadia.
Sika me the amount of the farming. So do you man?
One casa uncle bosom so that. Yet me Bobby Dias won't go down in the bosom so. Nanchia back one or Jabaku, your child befa. Oh, manum your mudden to omit me mouth chap back and you say, do 10 and son of Sia for Bua back on the 5.
Just out your bosom. I know Ajimisika. Fam's coming.
Sikan baby, I do a hot throat. Why? Oh,
Agbe. Fam's coming. What if Fam's coming? On to me and your man, Fam's coming.
you cannot hear
her. Agbe. Fam's coming.
Me call can have a bay, my dear.
And your bompire and fa and Tessa and Meno. Dear Bessie.
And your beg body gamegi.
Gamejina nuka.
Gagbaode.
Agbe is bringing them.
Megbode gamejina nuka.
When I come to do your knife for.
Look at her.
Go and wash down and stop asking me useless questions.
Doesn't his wife cooking meals?
And what are you?
Me, I'm not going anywhere. Me, I'm not.
Ebanuka?
Dada, you better return whatever you took from that man. You better. You.
Davi mele kuku ayo. Davi good day. Oh mama. Oh.
But the baby when you saw my one.
Hey, say walk.
Hey, Agbe. What do you say?
Mama nsese. Sister Sassy, I've many so nabra.
Hey, go and wash down. I yellow my you.
But Agbe is here. We can send him to take the food.
Oh, food, yeah. Food, dear.
Do I look like a fool or a little girl to you? Is Agbe the one to fulfill your feminine duty?
Dada, I will not marry that man. I will not.
Agbe, wait me ako.
Mama nyina mi ba ako.
Mesi ko be dia pie wonu so ma we ho. Fiako.
Na say wo kokonya.
Bubu bukaba na jo. Fiako.
Me ko na wi na de me de na hye wanko na. Me ba baje. Davi.
Jojo bule fiakaba na yi.
Abe, bra. Count. Abe, Miss Count.
Skadi here.
Hey, okay, we dey okwa dey na see.
Fatuma.
Hey. Whoa. Officer Mejimo. Whoa, mama oskasi ye djuma mama, wantumi anye djuma no. Wo sa peska foforo.
Oh, brapa.
Me moska ne moska china. Kasem no kire me.
Na se we se anye bro. Sabi me ne wa business ache. Ti se bibi atoche makura anye kwan ye wo so ofa so ne me kase ni. Unim me ko ye information bi amakote.
Information me ka kire me.
There be we say no information ayente ano ye de scan ano ti fatum susu.
Agbe me moska bia ne mo wa china.
Me hwa wa umpe good news ntino mama nko.
Agbe. Whatever.
The unni dia signature na so wa sign anake obi atwa to ni bi wo ho.
Agbe sika media ma onyina ubuabo na obetumi dia atoka.
Ma wa o sika betumi atoka ma me no dade ehim. Bike kura ni bi.
Agbe o dey information.
We new information and can suyo da.
Ka kire me.
Your bank your virgin bra.
Virgin information.
O see one kasano no pe dada. Oh. Enti senye me na me kokko kan ye kura nkade achi a wo ba wo abeka kire wa beto no ho ahye wo so.
Agbe we are sure.
Odo. Tino ya besia.
Ai Agbe. We are sure.
Neba. Information ba ku bi wo ho manka no. Ende ye 10 information nya 5 say.
Miniska bia di ma waye mpe we ya.
O da bi we ni ye good chen ba ku no.
Fa mpe we ya. Me peno a miniska bia di ma.
O de bra na beti. O se wa nkasa no wo hwe wa wo nye papa. ɔhwɛ wo nso a wonware na nkyɛ wobɛtumi abɔdam wei information wei yɛ free yɛde akyɛw pa ɔde ma akwa yɛn nso yɛde ama akwa
Agbe, why so kwasem na obeka? Why so akwatia? Ah. We dey nyon no kan. Ashada na woye me. Amenya no. Evo, am I owing you?